Welcome to JIS Studio.
Welcome to JIS Studio.
Welcome to JIS Studio.
Welcome to JIS Studio.
I'd say JIS Studio is unique,
Interesting.
Community.
structured,
Creative.
Team.
Collaborative.
It's very social.
Really inclusive. We have a lot of activities with different groups where we get together to do fun games, discuss stuff about our project.
Community time is like a way for us to get to know each other and to work together.
I'd say it's a very fun community to be with. You get to be with people that you consider to be friends, and you get to do stuff that you don't usually do in normal classes.
I'm super excited to be a part of this, and one of the things that drew me here was the studio program. I think that this is the way education should be. There's interdisciplinary work, there's a strong sense of community.
So one of the things we've had really great success with this year is cohort projects, student-centered projects, where we've worked with people outside of JIS, like Hume. We went to an art museum and created a really cool project out of that.
I really enjoyed this approach to teaching because I feel that it allows students to look at the big picture, look at big ideas that don't just exist in science, but exist in all of the disciplines. And they have an idea that these subjects really aren't so separate.
Our museum project, where we had to go to the museum and try to find a way to interpret art.
Yun trip, yes. I had really fun there. We learned a lot of things. We did the real planting and the farming. That was a great experience.
I'm probably gonna say Game On. It was an event that we hosted where in lunch break, we had many of the middle schoolers come and we organized games.
A really fun experience, and also it's like something new and different from our old classes.
I would say that you should join if you wanna try new things and you like to be creative.
you are able to connect more with other people from your grade and from your class.
It doesn't really feel like class, it feels like sort of learning with people.